In this video, I'm going to show you how to graph lines using your calculator. So if you have the equation of a line in slope-intercept form, you can create its graph using your calculator. So you're going to start off by going to y equals, which is in the upper left-hand corner of your calculator. So then in y equals, you're going to enter the equation of the line. So we have 3x plus 7. Now when you click graph, which is in the upper right-hand corner, it'll show you the graph of the line. If you click second and then table, it'll show you the table of values for the points that are on your line. Let's try another line. Let's try graphing negative 2x plus 5. So I'm going to go to y equals, and then if I hit clear, it'll clear out what I've typed in. When I type in negative 2, make sure that you're using the negative sign and not the subtraction sign. If you use the subtraction sign, you'll get an error message. So you want to type negative 2x plus 5. Now when you click graph, it'll show you the graph of the line. And then remember, second table will show you the table of values. Now let's try graphing y equals 2/3 x minus 1. So when we go to y equals, we're going to click clear. And then when we enter 2/3, you actually have to type it in as 2 divided by 3 because it doesn't really tell you how to enter a fraction. So you do 2 divided by 3. And then you type x, and then you say minus 1. And then when you click graph, it'll show you the graph of your line. When you click second table, once again, it gives you your table of values.